and trying to get 100 views is not easy. I accept. I am getting 100. I am closing to 85 views now, and 15 more views to go. So it's like a first achievement in YouTube with less than 10 subscribers, and I need more subscribers. Please support me always, and please share, support, watch. And I was not able to show you a random troop attack. So was a random troop attack. It is mass witches. So the mass witch attack contains two, as you can see, the spell combo here. Eight lightning spell, two EQ spell, one ball wrecker, and inside the CC ram wrecker, I mean the wall wrecker. I had a Yeti troop and two freeze to freeze the eagle artery, 180, two wall, two Valkyrie to break down the town hall. So I will just go with the replay and try to explain you guys. So basically we have to take out the inferno followed by few buildings. So first inferno I'm focusing, and a few buildings go down with it. Similarly, you should not waste your time because the witches take some longer time. So see my second attack. The more I put faster, I was not able to concentrate on that single witch tower. I mean the wizard tower. So dropping the golems randomly and spreading the witches as long as to get the buildings to be covered. So and the wall wrecker. See, initially I was thinking to freeze the eagle artery, but it was good I faced. I put into it because it was damaging my witches a lot. So two freezes for the eagle artery, and the eagle artery is down. Most probably, yes, it's down. And see, suddenly I have a super wall breaker, just to break this end because the golem is struck at this end. I don't like that golem to be struck. It can support the witches at here. So I pushed the golem. See, the cannon is changing towards the golem, and so other troops, basically the eagle artery town hall is down by the Yeti and the golem. Yeti and eagle opposite queen is also down, and which the skeletons are walking and destroying every building except for the mortar to be feared now, and the queen is having her ability. Already the enemy queen dead. So Skellies versus Skellies, it's not a big problem. So there is one witching standing on this side. I came up with the what to say a queen ability, and this golem is no use. It's stuck here, but it is easy 100 star, 100% 3 star. So in 3 minutes I didn't save time. The time was going on. So I'll re-show this attack once more later. So please don't forget to share, subscribe, and please try to complete my 100 views attack and 100 views for my channel very soon. And I'll try to support you guys, please, very soon, because already some videos have cost more than 20 views. I hope you can do it, guys. Come on, please support me. And this will be a short video, and someone is trying to ask troops. I'll give this one archer which I have right now. And basically the super cell as a improvement, you can't boost all the troops which you want at a single time. You have to either either boost one troop. So right now my sneaky wall breaker is under troop under upgrade, and I don't sneaky goblins are awesome, but then my next upgrade will be super archer. There are some super archer attacks I can show you very soon. Just it is 1 day 19 hour and 27 minutes. It's like 2 days, so please wait for 2 days. Super archer attacks will come. And thank you. I am very eager to use the super valkyr, but my team is not supporting. My team is not giving this troop. Super minion also is very super, and super which I have never used because it is 40 space, and town hall 11 is 35 space. Right now I have my researches only, so the barbarian is pending, and luckily I got one hammer of spells. I'm planning to use it for free spell. Free spell takes more elixir and more time, so put that with elixir into free spell. And the clone spell is not much of a use. Just I am trying to increase both spells are not much of a use. Just trying to increasing the clone spell level. Clone spell is maxed at town 11 itself by 5. I think so, I am not sure enough. And the clone spell is the least used spell, also as well as the skeleton spell. So I can't upgrade this like this also. So there is golem, witches, and skeleton spells also. Skeleton spell attack. I have to watch that attack and show you guys. So maybe I can show that combo very soon for you guys to watch. So thank you once again. Please share, support, and subscribe. And thank you. So I'll just re-request my troops. There is five people online. I'll see whether they are donating right now. No, they will keep donating me. Wow, not bad. Everything is getting filled within a second. So just say whenever you feel to say thank you. I am saying 1 second donation filling up. I didn't get words very soon. So I'm just saying them to whoever donated me. Thanks a lot. The screen came out. Luckily didn't hang up. Thank you guys. Thank you bro. I hope he sees it very soon. Let us catch up for a second whether he sees and tell anything. Most probably in the clan, when you are very close, they won't say you anything, even if you try to fight with the other clan member. So that since I am saying you can fight with clan members, you just don't go and fight with clan members. So just try to do your donation part and other things. Even if your donation part is very low, at least try to fill up by archers. And this person says me thank you, no problem. Thank you, no problem, war dog. Thank you. And so this is the end of your video. I am closing it. However you may call it. So thank you once again. And once again, they are challenging themselves for short attacks. Already after CLW, the war preparation is going up. So I am the topmost town hall 11 now. These are under like see the king level and queen level. 38 for queen, 31 for king. So basically, when you increase your town hall level, your defenses will be good, but with your heroes, you can't do much of a thing like a queen walk, or the king cannot basically support you very well. So your heroes must be always high enough to support you and withstand with the attack. See, his defenses is also down. See this part, it here he must have been cleared in town hall 11 itself. See this part, not a well growth. He is just trying to rush his base. I hope he completes his base very soon. I am sorry, this player, and I am not interested to show his name. Already you might have seen his name. I am just hiding his name. So just take a look at his rushed base. Thank you. I am very sorry to this player. So just returning. It was a quick return. So let's move just one more comparison to a max good base, and there are super render like headhunters in this. I'll scout the king levels and the other. Wow, the walls are being at higher range. King's levels are not 65, it is 58, 54. I think he or she is shaping up. And also see the Grand Warden level, it is 33. I think it has to be like 40 for Town Hall 12. So I think this is also much better, but heroes levels are still down. He or she has to improve. And this player name also I am trying to like what to hide, but it has become very late. So thank you. I can compare you like that only how's the development done. So take this Minimos base. Okay, is maxed in Town Hall 12. See the heroes level, Warden 40, 65 king and queen. This is maxed in Town Hall 12. It won't be easy for Town Hall 11 to attack. So your base must be like this. To it gets easily defense also. Your base must be like Minimos. So I'm just returning to my base. It is spending walls. I hope my defenses are clear. See here, only town hall and walls. And as I said, only a few researches. One, see other all level 10 required. 2, 3. See, and this is going to be finished. It won't be a problem. 2, 3, and the first two won't be a problem. This I have to increase initially faster, so I will try to bring it only up to third level. I am going to increase it to increase later words. I am going to put the town hall very soon, town hall 12 very soon, and walls also I will manage, because walls I am planning up to here only. So the current wall rate is 151. When I touch it over there, it will be 130, I guess. So 130, yes. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 151 minus 6, 145, and this side 8. It will come below 130 as it is 145. So thank you. I'll try to max my Town Hall 11 faster, and I can try to do my Town Hall 12. Initially Town Hall 12 takes more time to develop. I can't just rush my base. I'll just hang on with you guys and try to develop it. Heroes levels has to go up by 15, and for Warden 20, and there will be mini researches and one extra Inferno, and the Eagle Artery goes to the next level. So extra, basically one Inferno and a few more bombs, I think so. Yes. So air defenses all go up, single point defenses all goes up, and yes, I have not made this yet. So basically I'm taking your time more and more. So just as it is for 100, the 100 to catch up the 100 view. It is in a short span, guys, with only 11 subscribers. Please support, share, and subscribe. Once again, I am thanking you for 85 views. Pending more 15 views can be completed easily by you guys. So thank you. Thanks a lot. And this is you're coming to the end of the video. I took some more time to explain about the base details, so thanks a lot for everything. The unboxing video was eye catcher, I think so. So I can't unbox once again any other thing until I brought it. So this is also without the mic set to test what is the capacity of my phone. So I'll do with the mic set again once again later. So my voice is alone heavier. So see, the recording is gone for 18 minutes. Okay, thank you. I'm stopping this.